Okay, Sounds of Decay 3. Pentagram Chile's Eternal Life of Madness. Now, apologize for this one because it's been out for a while and it totally flew under our radar until now. Pentagram Chile is one of those rare instances when a demo-level band breaks up too soon, but finds its way to consistent quality metal decades later. From their legendary tape-traded demos from the 80s to their 2013 comeback album, The Malefice, to this, their second full-length post-Reformation, the band sounds better than ever. Produced by polymath drummer Juan Pablo Donoso, these 11 songs span nearly an hour of caustic, Celtic Frost-adjacent riffing, capped with dizzying melodic leads and vocals that sound more like Kronos than Kronos. 2024 has been a great year for metal from this part of the world, from Mayhemic to Strigioi, and it's great to add one of the OG bands to this list. Few bands are able to capture the blackened thrash sound of the 80s like these guys do, whether they're blasting away at maximum speed or grinding up Golgotha with gut punch riffing. There's never a dull moment to be found on the disc. Let's hear a little bit of Possessor.
It doesn't take long for the headbanger's delight to kick in. Possessor kicks off with a wicked throbbing riff that alternates magnificently between thrashing rage and wounded lurch. Donoso's brain-trampling percussion commanding the Gatling gun guitars with depth and power. The guitar tandem of Anton Resigneger and Juan Paulo Uribe dialing up Slayer-adjacent leads and harmonies. The Portal may be the strongest track on the disc. Donoso's double bass, very reminiscent of Dave Lombardo at his prime. Resigneger scowling. Time evaporates, matter disintegrates. Horror materializes, insanity reigns, as Anton dishes out one ripping lead after another.
Okay, this is a little clip from The Portal. Sorry about all the Slayer comparisons, but dare I say that I would have loved for the follow-up to Seasons in the Abyss to sound like this album. But anyway, the closer, No One Shall Survive, deserves special mention here as the hellish crescendo the band steps into after nearly 4 minutes of doom-laden agony. That double marble vinyl looks pretty freaking sweet, and you know they're going to be gone soon, so, you can walk to work this week. Get over to Listenable Label's Bandcamp page and snag a copy, and hopefully we won't have to wait another 11 years for more Pentagram Chile. The song is called No One Shall Survive.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.